I've shared this with investors multiple times, but I'm really not 100% sure that everybody's getting it. Our value of those shares is going to go up again as soon as we close on this project. One of the biggest benefits of being a general partner is you get promote, you get development fees, acquisition fees, all of those things. My name's Adam Whitmire, and I am the fund manager for the Arabella Real Estate Fund, but I'm also the developer, which gives me the ability to share my development fees with you. I'm also sharing equity in a portfolio that I've worked on for the last 5 to 7 years with new investors and my existing investors in the fund. We've been sharing development fees with investors so that they can get cash flow every quarter. As you know, when you're developing from the ground up, it takes 2 or 3 years to generate cash flow. Well, with the development fees those come in the moment we break ground. I'm sharing that with my investors so that you get cash flow now. When we set up this fund, the goal was to create income and equity for investors. So we wanted a growth and income fund. We were able to accomplish the growth not only from the cash flow coming in from our projects, but also from the development fees that I'm sharing with investors in the fund. So in the fund, our goal is to increase our investors' returns by increasing the value of your shares and increasing your cash flow each year. As we continue to sell this asset and additional assets this year, instead of getting your 7-8% preferred, you're going to end up closer to 10 to 12% as all this cash flow comes in. Not only that, you're already starting off at $56,000 a share when it's worth $72,000 a share. That NAV, that net asset value or value of those shares, is going to go up again as soon as we close on this project. We are letting you buy in at our original basis. That means in day one, you're coming in with equity, just same place where I'm at. That works for me as well. I'm one of the largest investors in the fund. I benefit from all this equity in the fund, but you're also getting the cash flow. You're getting all the cash flow that I'm getting. In the past, if you're investing as a limited partner, you don't get to participate in all of that. In this fund, in this GP fund, you get to participate in everything I'm participating in. That means when I make money, you make money. And when you make money, I make money. So I'm sharing the equity in our portfolio with you, and I think it's a win-win. I get to benefit because I'm the largest investor in the fund. You get to benefit because this is a new relationship, and I always want to start a new relationship on a win. So this is a win for both of us. And we've got projects, again, like I said, that we've already started and worked on these projects for the last several years. We're selling them now. As you come into the fund, you're going to get to participate in the back end, which is where all the cash flow comes in of these projects. And what that's going to do is going to go straight to your share values and increase your value and increase the NAV of your shares. Right now, there's already a good amount of equity in it. As the realized returns come in, that directly affects your share value, and it directly affects the cash flow that you're getting on a quarterly basis. We're getting ready to close out the year. If you want to participate in these closings, like the Port Wentworth, the storage development is going to close in the next 30 to 45 days. You've got to have your money invested or any additional funds invested within the next 30 days so that you can participate in that. So again, I don't know how much more clear I can be, but I'm telling you from right now, you've got 30 days before this next deal closes. And the other deals that are coming up, I'm going to let you know the best I can, but you have to be invested before these properties close if you want to take advantage of the back-end cash flow coming in from those deals. So if you're interested, schedule a call. If you want to get more information, schedule a call. If you want to invest more money, schedule a call. Just do it before we close on this storage project, and I'll do my best to give you some heads up in advance when we're closing the other deals if you want to get in those as well.